out at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. Thought I'd come down to the Rookery, take some pictures of the birds, and seems to be a lot of them out there today. So I was just going to do a little video on the way out there.
See the two fighting?
Lots of gators out here too. Okay. Wood stork, great egret. There's a male up there in that tree doing his mating plumage. Wow, a whole lot more. Yeah, the number of birds are increasing daily.
Hold on, I'll pick you up in a second.
Okay, so this is where I'm going to hang out for a little bit today and get a few pictures.
Yeah, we have to get the We have to go.